Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get Hobie Brown in InVision's Web Verse. First, open the game and head straight to the main menu. From there, you'll want to find the character selection screen. It's usually clearly labeled. Once you're there, look for an option that says Unlock Characters or something similar. This is your first step towards adding this awesome character to your roster, making your gameplay even more exciting. To unlock Hobie Brown, you need to complete a specific mission called the Web Verse Challenge. This isn't just any mission. It requires you to achieve a score of at least 150,000 points across its 3 distinct stages. Focus on chaining combos and avoiding damage to maximize your score. Successfully finishing all parts of this challenge is key to progressing and getting closer to your goal. Once you've successfully conquered the Web Verse Challenge and met the score requirement, head back to the game's main menu. You'll then need to navigate to the Rewards or Collection section. This is where your hard-earned unlockable characters are typically found. Hobie Brown should be prominently displayed, ready for you to claim and add to your playable characters. It's a straightforward process after the main effort. With Hobie Brown now unlocked, the fun truly begins. Go to your character roster and select him for your next mission or free roam session. He brings a unique set of abilities and special moves to the Webverse, offering a fresh gameplay experience. Take some time to experiment with his attacks and learn his playstyle. Enjoy exploring the game with this fantastic new addition to your team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.